I guess growing up, I've always had cooking and food around me, and when I was probably 15, I started working in my parents' cafe, cooking bacon and eggs, washing dishes, and ended up doing a chef's apprenticeship. So quite a strong family connection, but also had that food and culture ingrained in us growing up, which was really cool. I'm Luke Piccolo from Limone Dining in Griffith. I'm a chef and owner of the restaurant. We've been working hard to promote the Riverina in Griffith and all the local produce that comes with that. I think Griffith is such a little untapped beauty, and I think we see the potential in it, and we really want to showcase that. You can really get out into nature and escape, and then at the same time you can then indulge and have too much wine and eat too much and have a lot of fun. So the Riverina, it's definitely untouched, it's unexplored, and there's so many experiences here that are just waiting for you to come.